Today I want to show you guys this toilet seat cover with non-electric bidet. Brand sent me to make video for you guys, so you can see this is really nice, very cool. It was very easy to install. It just took me about 5 minutes. So you can see it has this slow closure. Once you are done, you can see it will just close slowly. It's not gonna slam down, so that is really nice. And the best part, it just works on both. So you can see both of the cover. You can see it just goes slowly and doesn't make sound. So but if you want, you can just also push it down for fast closure. So you can see if I need to just push it down, I would be able to do that. So over here on the side you have the knob that controls for men and female, like for the front part cleaning and for back side. And over here, this is how you install. It comes with everything you need. You just take out your existing hose from the flush inlet, so you connect this T, and from that it comes to here. You can see the hose this came with, so you can easily connect over here and works really well. So it has this easy release option over here. You can see once you press this, it allows you to just slide it down, so you can take it off. Let me show you. So over here I press the button and you can see it just slide out just like that. And if you need to clean, if you need to just move it, you can see you can just move, and then once you are done, you clean, and you will be able to just position again, and you would be able to just click it. And when you do that, you will hear a click just like that, so it just stays in its place. Let me show you guys how it operates. Over here, once you turn the knob, you will see that this will bring out the nozzle for the man and female. So for the man, you will see for the back part, this comes out. You can see the distance, and you can control the flow by just adjusting the knob. Similarly, same thing, you turn this towards you, like towards front, you will see this will come out from the other angle a little bit. You can see how it comes out, and it comes out pretty long. You can see that's how it just provides the water, and you can again increase the pressure, so you have option to control the pressure. So overall, this is really nice, very cool. It just works really well. It was very easy to install, and it just fits really nicely. You have to have elongated. If you have round, this is not gonna work, so make sure you pick the correct size. I hope this was helpful.